The next way that you can make the honeymoon phase last, she doesn't pay rent. What does that mean? Why is she at your place so much? Proximity is one of the silent killers of any relationship. If you hang around each other too much, you are guaranteed to get sick of each other. That's an inevitability. Don't let her stay at your place and you don't stay at her place for consecutive days. Because the more time that you spend around her, the more time is guaranteed for her or you to find something that you don't like, to see something that you think is disgusting, and then honeymoon phase over. See each other a maximum of 2 times a week, never consecutive days, and watch how much more time you have in the honeymoon phase. The more time you spend together, the quicker the honeymoon phase is over. Remember, this is to make it last. That's the point.